Hi there. Let's talk about BenQ GW2780 27-inch monitor today. This monitor comes with a 27-inch 1920 by 1080 Full HD resolution and IPS to enjoy clearer, sharper images in full high-definition color. The monitor has 250 nits brightness to give you crystal clear viewing experience of all content. This monitor has 60 Hz refresh rate which minimizes lag and latency to deliver very smooth viewing experience. The multitasking monitor runs smoothly between apps like Microsoft Office Suite, Netflix, and Prime Video. The 178-degree wide viewing angles provide stunning views from any angle. This monitor comes with one VGA port, one 1.4 HDMI, one DisplayPort 1.2:1, one headphone jack, to connect seamlessly with your CPU or laptop. This monitor comes with two built-in 2W providing an enhanced multimedia experience. The monitor comes with 3 years on-site warranty. Thank you.